The male scrotum is a unique anatomical structure located outside the body, hanging beneath the base of the penis. It serves a crucial role in the male reproductive system by housing and protecting the testicles, testes, which are responsible for sperm production and hormone secretion. In this video, let's discuss about male scrotum in detail. Anatomy of the scrotum. Structure. The scrotum is a pouch-like, wrinkled structure composed of skin and underlying tissues. It is divided into two compartments by a septum, which provides some separation between the two testicles. Location. The scrotum is positioned between the base of the penis and the anus. It is suspended from the perineum, which is the area between the scrotum and the anus. Functions of the scrotum. Temperature regulation. One of the primary functions of the scrotum is to regulate the temperature of the testicles. Sperm production. Spermatogenesis is temperature sensitive, and the testicles need to be maintained at a temperature slightly lower than the core body temperature for optimal sperm production. The scrotum accomplishes this by allowing the testicles to hang outside the warm body cavity. Protection. The scrotum provides a layer of protection for the testicles, helping shield them from physical injury. Elevation and relaxation. The scrotal muscles, called the dartos muscle and the cremaster muscle, can contract or relax in response to temperature changes or emotional responses. This allows the testicles to be drawn closer to the body to conserve heat or hang lower to release excess heat. Role in reproduction. The testicles, housed within the scrotum, are the primary reproductive organs in males. They produce sperm and secrete hormones, primarily testosterone. Sperm production requires a temperature lower than that of the body's core, and the scrotum's ability to regulate temperature is crucial for maintaining fertility. Scrotal health. The scrotum is susceptible to various conditions and disorders, including infections, inflammation, e.g., epididymitis, and injuries. It is important to practice good hygiene and promptly seek medical attention for any signs of discomfort, pain, or abnormalities in the scrotal area. Self-examination of the scrotum and testicles is recommended to detect any lumps, swelling, or changes that may indicate potential health issues, including testicular cancer. Variations and individual differences. The size and appearance of the scrotum can vary among individuals, and it is influenced by factors such as genetics, age, and environmental temperature. Some individuals may have a condition called cryptorchidism, in which one or both testicles do not descend into the scrotum as they should during fetal development. This condition often requires medical attention and treatment. Summary. The male scrotum is an integral part of the male reproductive system, serving as a protective pouch for the testicles and helping to regulate their temperature for optimal sperm production. Maintaining scrotal health is essential for overall reproductive function and well-being.